Good morning, everyone. Bill and Carrie with KB Tricks.
Good morning.
Where are we at, home? What are we doing?
We're at Silver Dollar City again. Going to check some stuff out during the daytime.
For their holiday events. I forget what the name of the holiday thing is, but let's go on in. Outside around the entrance, they got a big old wreath. We're going to go past that toward the turnstiles. It already appears to be a busy day at the city. Gonna make our way to the turnstiles. Made it to the turnstile, gonna pass by the bakery and into the hospitality house. Everything looking all festive with the Christmas trees along the walkway, decorated with lights and the wreaths. I like the wreaths. Up here in the hospitality house, off to the right, when you walk in, you can go to the cave tour. We did the cave tour on our last trip. We'll have a link for that above if you're interested in watching that. Off to the right there is where the line is. It's about 10 after 11. The park officially opened up at 11 today. We're going to make our way kind of rope drop-esque. We think we're going to do Fire in the Hole first. So about 10 minutes after 11, the park officially opened at 11. So not a lot of crowd around the Midtown area. As we walk in, we're going to kind of rope drop Fire in the Hole first. And this is marked off this path. This is the path for the parade at night. I think there's been 2 parades, like 6 and 8, featuring Rudolph and characters from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. If you remember the old classic claymation or stop animation from back in the day. But we're going to go down the hill here toward Fire in the Hole. Kind of nice to be here during the day, see the decorations that might not be lit at night, but you can still kind of see some of the decorations. You know, the decorations, not the lit decorations, if that makes sense. We're in the back of the line for Fire in the Hole, which stretches past the saloon this morning. Apparently it's not open yet. A couple of the rides are delayed. The app is saying a couple things like Fire in the Hole and Powder Keg are delayed. A couple things are open. I'm not sure why there's a delay over in this area because Powder Keg is next to us. Not sure if that's related. Wildfire, which is nearby too, is delayed. Looks like Fire in the Hole opened up. We hear some cheering and the line is now moving. And on to the right to the entrance, you can get a photo opportunity. So it looks like you're in one of the ride vehicles. We're walking through the firefighter's grave site, which is part of the queue next to Fire in the Hole. You can take your time to read some of these headstones. Some of them are kind of comical. Dave worked too close to the fire, died of heartburn. What on the chink? Here's the entrance to Fire in the Hole. What I always thought interesting is they don't have any signs to say that this is Fire in the Hole. You just have to know what this building is when you're looking for it. But it does look like it's the outside of a fire station. And the double doors would be where the old horse-pulled engines would go. Walking in, they just told us our assignments. Got the decorations up on the wall or some lights. And the story here is that the ball knobbers are burning the town and we either have to help put out the fire or try to escape before we're caught in it. And in here looks like an old school firehouse. Like over there is where they would put the horse with the wagon. I was just thinking this could quite possibly be the last time I ride this ride ever.
Well, I mean, this version of it, I'm sure you'll get on the new one at some point in time.
Yes, that's what I mean.
Yes.
The version that I grew up with.
Okay, yeah.
Here's what the ride vehicles look like. 2x2 with the lap bar. Have fun?
Sure.
Sure.
Well, I understand it's like this whole nostalgia thing for you, but for me it's just kind of boring. Sorry, hon.
I like that ride.
I know you do.
I'm gonna miss it. 52 years this ride has been here, and they're gonna tear it down, and they actually built a new one.
That's opening in the spring.
Yeah, that's got to be over the Fireman's Landing. If you're interested in what this looks like, we actually shot video on a previous trip. We'll put a link up above.
Because it hasn't changed at all.
Because, yes, well, it hasn't changed much in 52 years. It's kind of unfair to say how long our wait was because there was the delay. But with the delay, it was about 45 minutes. You can see the line there, and it's going back. The length of the line hasn't changed. It's still going back past the saloon. So yeah, I think it's about the same length as it was before the line started moving. Right now they're calling this Santa's Cottage. This is where you can meet Santa. They got the stanchions up there for line. But right now it's a little afternoon. We're going to try to find ourselves some lunch. We think we're going to go back to the Riverside Barbecue, I think it was, Rivertown Smokehouse. This is where we had lunch the one day when we were here back in October. It was pretty good, so we're gonna try it again. In line, there's a menu. They got meals that kind of go between $17 and $28 if you want a full rack of ribs. I'm gonna go in. I got 2 lines. Can go right or left. And we stopped at the smokehouse for lunch. What did you get, honey?
So I did just one meat, and I did the turkey because the last time we were here I got that and it was so good. I also didn't get turkey yesterday, so I feel the need.
For Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And then
I got mac and cheese and tater tots. The mac and cheese was really good last time too.
And we both got rolls,
Yep.
and I got the one meat combo. This is their brisket. Just looked good and gave me fresh stuff out of the kitchen, and I also got the same sides. They also had slaw and the confetti corn.
Yeah,
or whatever.
confetti corn. They also had baked beans.
As sides options. And then we also got 2 desserts. What did we get? The first one
So
here
we got cinnamon roll bread pudding.
just looks fantastic.
Yes, and then we also had this the last time. It was the blackberry butter cake, and that was very good.
And then we got a soda. So all this here, this was $50 after our discount for the Silver Dollar City Silver Season Pass. So depending on what season pass you have, depends on what.
But look at
percentage for
all
our
this
discount.
food. Like this, like look at how much turkey that is. Like I don't even know if I'll finish that. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll probably finish it, but
Yeah, we got some decent sized
it's a
portions here.
lot of food.
Well, let's dig in and see how it
Yes.
tastes. Okay, so first we had to move
Yeah.
because underneath, or above us I should say, they got some heaters, and we were just feeling a little cold. I was trying to sit in the sun, but
Thinking the sun would help, but we were still too cold. But
was still too windy.
We discovered the heaters, and now we're feeling a lot better.
yeah, so I did a lot better kind of under the shelter thing here.
Yeah.
But what do you think of your turkey so
Oh,
far?
it's so good. It's so good. It's so juicy. Like it actually, like my little container is like leaking.
And what do you think of your sides?
I remembered the mac and cheese from the last time, and it's really good. And then of course, tater tots are tater tots.
Yeah. And then for my brisket, it's pretty good. The first piece I had was kind of on the drier side, but the other pieces have been a lot better. A little bit of, it's brisket, so it has a couple pieces of fat in there. But beyond that, it's been pretty good. We have not touched the desserts yet, but we got to finish our meal first.
Yes.
All right, dessert time. Kiri's gonna dig into the bread pudding first.
Cinnamon bread pudding.
The cinnamon bread pudding, not to be confused with your traditional bread pudding.
Ooh, that's yummy.
Can I elaborate a little more?
It's got like the perfect amount of cinnamon, and the sauce is really good on it. And it's bread pudding. Bread pudding is so yummy.
And what was the second dessert again?
This was the blackberry ooey gooey butter cake.
What did you think of that one?
Oh, it's so good. I love me some butter cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What makes it so good?
Butter.
So overall, what would you say about the Rivertown Smokehouse?
This is like, I think, of the places we've eaten here, so this one's my favorite.
Okay.
I really do like the food, the sides, I like the options. It's very large servings.
And so I would also say, like last time we each got the 2 meat combo, which was a lot.
That was way too much food.
But I would almost say you could even split the 1 meat combo.
You really could. I mean, I wasn't able to finish my turkey. We threw some of it away because you ate some of it, and then we just couldn't eat anymore.
Yeah, you could get the 1 meat combo and then a dessert, and you might be fine.
Yep.
Really. I'm gonna go across from the Rivertown Smokehouse to the Dockside Theater. We have a living nativity scene that starts about 5:30 today. Just want to show what the stage looks like. I don't know if they're going to have like a play performance or if it's just going to be people standing. We're not sure. It won't be till 5:30. We may or may not still be at the park by that time. And as I said, this show doesn't start until 5:15, it looks like. But the thing that came to mind is
So with the Christmas events, a lot of them don't start until later in the afternoon or even after once it gets dark. So even though the park opened up at 11, really kind of right now it's mainly for the rides.
Yeah, like some shows don't start till 2, the train doesn't start till 2:30.
Yep.
The Charles Dickinson show doesn't start till 4, I think.
Yeah.
So get the pass thing when you come in with the show times. We've not had one of these cinnamon breads. I don't know, but walking by here, this just smells fantastic. And you can look through the window there and see them prepping them. Oh wow, there's one right there. Oh, that looks delicious. We're gonna make our way up to Heritage Hall, which is that tall red building up ahead for one of the shows. We're getting in line for the show, and this is a cute photo op. All these gingerbread characters. And here's the line to go into the Heritage House.
Yes.
And what are we going to see?
We're going to see a show called I'm Coming Home for Christmas.
You know anything about it?
I know it's music.
As we're walking in, we're welcomed by some carolers. They're having us move up. We're going to walk in a second. They're going to open the doors in about 5 minutes. This must be a parade premium seating area that they have set up with these chairs along the parade route. It's about 25 minutes till. The doors just open. And now is one of those moments where you just say, moo. The venue has like a bunch of folding chairs, stadium seating. We're gonna kind of go down a little bit and try to make our way up. Here's a set for Coming Home for Christmas. We're gonna have some live singers, performances of various holiday songs performed live right here.
I broke my back on Johnny's head. Somebody snitched on me. I hit a frog in sister's bed. Somebody snitched on me.
Ran out of the show. Now we're in line for the. In case you couldn't tell, we're in line for the railroad. What do you think of that show?
It was really cute. I enjoyed it. It was very entertaining with the singers and the dancers.
Yeah. There's a lot of just live singing and
I mean, they were just like singing Christmas music, but they had like little dances and little set changes and stuff.
And now we're in line for the train, and the train's gonna be different because
it's like a Christmas sing-along or something like that.
I guess we'll find out.
We'll find out.
Waiting for the train to get on, or waiting to get on the train. My trip.
Merry Christmas! That's a whole lot more than good. My name is Conductor Josh, and I'm on the back of your steam train. I'd like to be the first to welcome you aboard the Frisco Silver Dollar Christmas Sing-Along Train. That's right, folks, I did say sing-along. So let's start this off with a holly jolly Christmas, and what better way to spread holiday cheer than singing loud and clear for all to hear.
Gonna find out who's naughty on the night, and love's coming to town.
You know, if I close my eyes really tight and listen, I can almost hear my grandpa say,
Well, Merry Christmas, kids. It's sure good to see you. Well, me and Grandma's been expecting you. For behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be for all people. Merry Christmas, and come back and see Grandpa real soon, won't you? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Got off the train, and now we're going to head into the Christmas shop, see if there's anything different here. The Christmas shop has 2 levels. We're going to go upstairs first. We got some real neat decorations and ornaments and all kinds of things in this store. Very unique. A little crazy outside of the train station, so...
It's kind of a little crazy everywhere.
Yeah, busy.
Yes.
But what did you think of the train ride?
It was interesting. We got stuck on it.
Yeah, we're stuck for maybe 20 minutes.
My butt is cold and frozen.
But anyway, the normal thing with the singing and everything.
Yeah, the music was different. It was a little different. Yeah.
Be interesting to do it at night when it's all lit up.
Yeah. It's kind of disappointed, so we couldn't get on it last night because especially seeing that there's more Christmas lights along the route.
It was still fun.
It was fun, yeah.
We're in the glass shop now, and they got some unique things here for the holidays. They got some snowmen that are, I don't know, like 6 inches or so tall. They're cute. Couple different looks for them, top hats or winter hats. These are $100. There's quite a few different looks to them. Making our way up to the front and kind of come up to this bridge. Got a lot of bells lit above. Cool look. Make our way toward the hospitality house. On our way out, we got a Salvation Army bell ringer. We're gonna get in line to take the tram back to our car, but first, and we're walking out of Soda City for the holidays. And what did you think, hon, that we were here for the evening yesterday, day to day? What did you have fun?
Yeah, I had a good time. I kind of wish, we could be here a little bit later because I would love to see some of the Christmas lights again, but we have many more stops ahead of us, so sadly we must depart.
Yeah. Stay tuned for our other videos. We're going to try to hit some more holiday stuff around the Branson area, but please do us a favor and subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, so help us flip that number and help the channel grow. But let's go find some other stuff around Branson we can go check out. But I want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You watch KB Treks. Please do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.